Are you struggling with view transitions in your app? It can be frustrating when things don't look as smooth as you'd like. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of resizing views during transitions, specifically when using child view controllers. I totally get it. You want your app to look polished and professional, but when the new view doesn't resize until after the transition, it can feel jarring. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How do I get the new view to resize before the transition instead of after?" This issue arises when the new child view controller is loaded for the very first time. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? The problem lies in the view lifecycle. The view-did-layout subviews method is called after the transition, which is why you're seeing that unsightly delay in resizing. Understanding this will help us find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the resizing issue, the user should first ensure that the new view's frame is set correctly before the transition begins. This can be done by overriding the view will appear method in the new child view controller. Next, the user should call the layout if needed method on the new view before performing the transition. This ensures that the layout updates are applied immediately. Now, the user can proceed with the transition animation. By ensuring the new view is properly sized beforehand, the transition will look much smoother. Finally, the user should test the implementation to confirm that the new view is resized correctly before the transition. This will enhance the overall user experience. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, but smooth transitions are still a challenge for many developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests overriding the view will transition method in your view controller. This allows you to handle the transition before the new view is displayed. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always test your transitions with different view sizes. This will help you catch any resizing issues before they become a problem. And there you have it. With these steps, your view transitions should look much smoother. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.